Hello everyone, today we'll be making a simple pancake recipe. For this recipe, we'll need 2 cups of whole wheat, 3 tablespoons of sugar and half a teaspoon of salt, 4 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract, 2.5 cups of milk. You can also add some toppings such as raspberries, blueberries, or chocolate chips like I'm going to do for one batch. So start by taking an egg in your hand and use a knife to split the egg in half. Then crack it the rest of the way and drop the yolk into the 2.5 cups of milk. Then, using a whisk, stir the mixture. Then add the vanilla extract to the mixture and continue to whisk the mixture. Notice that we've mixed all the wet ingredients first so that we'd be able to incorporate all of them properly. Then take the bowl of whole wheat. Then, add the sugar and the baking soda to the mixture. Then, add the half teaspoon of salt. Make a well at the center of this mixture, then pour all the wet ingredients into the center. Use a whisk to mix properly. Make sure there are no lumps once you're done. So plug in and heat the griddle. Over here shown is the final batter that you'll use for the pancake. You're going to use a 1/4 cup measure in order to scoop the batter and pour 6 of the pancakes in the griddle. Over here, I've shown a neat way to keep your 1/4 cup measure. Once you see bubbles start to appear on the edges, go ahead and flip each of the pancakes over. Each side must cook for about 30 seconds to 1 minute, depending on the heat and the size of your griddle. So go ahead and take out all the pancakes. You've now made your first batch. In your second batch of pancakes, you'll make 3 chocolate chip and 3 fruit pancakes. Once you place the chocolate chips and the fruits in the pancakes, make sure to push it inside the batter so that once you flip it over, it does not burn on the griddle. Then go ahead and repeat what you've done for the last batch. So here's what the inside of the fruit pancake looks like. To the fruit pancakes, we'll add some more berries, and then we can top it with a slice of butter and syrup. For the chocolate pancakes, I added some confectionery sugar and some dark chocolate shavings. Then I added some white chocolate chips and semi-sweet chocolate chips. For the regular pancakes, I added some more fruits, and then I added some confectionery sugar. So here's what each of the pancake servings looks like. So, these are the 3 pancakes. Thank you very much for watching, and make sure to try it out and let me know in the comments how yours turned out. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.